Is your American Standard AC outdoor unit not turning on? The most common cause, accounting for 40% of cases, is power-related issues. Let's walk through the quick troubleshooting steps. First, check your circuit breaker to make sure it hasn't tripped. Inspect for visible damage, such as melted plastic or smoke, which could indicate a short circuit. Next, inspect the wiring for any loose connections or corrosion. Damaged wires, like frayed insulation exposing copper strands, can prevent the unit from receiving power. Finally, use a multimeter to verify the unit is receiving the correct voltage. Residential units typically require 208 to 230 volts. A reading outside this range indicates a power supply issue. If you're comfortable with electrical work, disconnect the power and inspect the disconnect switch near the unit. Check for corrosion or faults that could be blocking power flow. If the power supply checks out, the capacitor is often the next suspect. This component stores electrical energy to provide the initial kick needed to start the compressor. A faulty capacitor often causes the unit to hum without actually starting. This is especially common in air conditioning units that are more than 5 years old, as capacitors naturally degrade over time. To identify a faulty capacitor, visually inspect it for signs of bulging, leaking fluid, or corrosion. These physical symptoms indicate the capacitor needs replacement. Relays, also called contactors, can also cause startup failures. These electrical switches may stick closed due to accumulated debris or normal wear and tear, preventing the proper flow of electricity to start the unit. When dealing with capacitor or relay issues, replacement is usually required. Always consult a certified professional to ensure safe and proper repairs, as these components handle high-voltage electricity. Your thermostat acts as the control center for your AC system. It sends the cool signal that tells the outdoor unit when to start running. A mismatched or malfunctioning thermostat prevents the unit from receiving this signal. This could be due to incorrect wiring, a faulty thermostat, or incompatible settings. For newer smart units, the issue may be in the control board. Check for error codes displayed on the board or through the app. A firmware reset may be needed if the board is not responding correctly. This can often fix communication issues without replacing the entire board. If you have a smart thermostat connected to your American Standard AC, ensure it is properly paired and communicating. Check the app for connection status and verify the wireless signal strength. Low refrigerant levels due to leaks prevent the necessary pressure buildup in the system, which stops the AC unit from starting or functioning properly. Refrigerant is the fluid that absorbs heat from inside your home and releases it outside. When there's a leak in the refrigerant lines, the system loses this vital fluid. This causes insufficient pressure, preventing the compressor from running and the unit from cooling your home. If you suspect a refrigerant leak, always call a qualified HVAC technician. They have specialized equipment to safely recharge the system and locate and repair the leak. Frozen coils are another common issue that prevents your AC from operating. The coils can freeze when there's poor airflow or low refrigerant levels, blocking the normal heat exchange process. When coils freeze, they look like this, covered in ice that prevents the unit from working. This often happens because air filters are dirty, restricting airflow and causing the coils to get too cold. Poor airflow from dirty air filters is a major cause of frozen coils. Filters should be cleaned or replaced every 1 to 3 months to maintain proper airflow through the system. To prevent these performance blockers, regularly clean or replace your air filters every 1 to 3 months. If you suspect refrigerant leaks or persistent freezing, always consult a qualified HVAC technician for safe and proper repairs. American Standard AC units are equipped with built-in safety protocols designed to protect the system from potential damage. These features automatically shut down the unit when critical issues are detected. Key safety components include high-pressure switches that detect excessive pressure in the system, preventing overheating and component failure. Low-pressure switches monitor refrigerant levels, while temperature sensors watch for abnormal heat buildup. When these safety features activate, the unit shuts down to prevent further damage. This shutdown is not random. It's a clear indicator that something is wrong with the system. For safety and proper repair, It is essential to call a qualified HVAC technician when safety protocols trigger a shutdown. Newer American Standard models post 2020 include integrated IoT sensors that deliver real time alerts through apps like Train's ComfortLink. These tools allow homeowners to diagnose problems remotely, preventing complete system failures. Firmware updates from 2025 tackle capacitor burnout by incorporating predictive maintenance algorithms that track electrical surges. This proactive approach cuts repair calls by 25%, saving time and costs. While some issues like checking the breaker or changing the filter are DIY friendly, more complex problems require a qualified HVC technician. Incorrect repairs can worsen the problem or void your warranty. According to the Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Institute, HRAI, 65% of AC failures are preventable with routine maintenance. Statistics from the U.S. Department of Energy indicate that improper installations cause 30% of unit failures, so always use certified professionals for repairs. Consider this real-world example from a Michigan home. An American Standard Silver Series unit from 2018 failed to start during a January thaw. The issue was frozen coils caused by a clogged drain line that prevented proper drainage of condensation. The homeowner fixed it by thawing the coils with a hairdryer and cleaning the drain line, costing just $150. Regular filter changes can prevent 70% of such problems, according to industry studies. Another example comes from a New York City apartment with a 2020 Platinum unit. The unit hummed but wouldn't start, traced to a capacitor burned out by electrical voltage fluctuations common in urban areas. A certified technician replaced it for $200, and the homeowner upgraded to a smart model with predictive maintenance to prevent future issues. A notable incident in 2023 involved American Standard recalling 50,000 units because of faulty control boards that caused intermittent startup failures. Affected customers received free replacements, showing the company's commitment to quality. Such recalls have been shown to reduce overall failure rates by 20% after the fixes are implemented. These real-world examples underscore the critical importance of maintenance and professional servicing. According to industry experts, 65% of AC failures can be prevented through routine care like filter changes, capacitor checks, and system cleanings. When issues arise, professional technicians ensure safe, effective repairs and help avoid warranty voids.